See students, suppose I have an equation 2x plus 3y equals 6. Suppose I want to find slope from this. There is a method to find slope from this. Basically what we do, we keep this y that is there on one side and the rest everything that is there we transfer it on the other side. So what we basically do is we take 3y is equal to 6 minus 2x. Idea is to keep y this side. So therefore what we do, we get y is equal to 6 minus 2x upon 3. We get 6 upon 3 and we get minus 2 upon 3x. And then what we do is the number that is in front of x is called slope. So in our case, the slope is minus 2 upon 3. All clear? So suppose we have this equation of this form. From this, we will get a slope. Now, problem is sometimes we have equation of the type x plus 3, y minus 2, and we have some number, say 7, and from here we have to find slope. From here, we have to find slope. So in this case, what we do is that we first convert this equation to, we first convert it to equation of this something like this. A number into x plus by is equal to c. So we first convert this equation to something like this. And from this equation, then we get slope. We don't directly find slope from this equation. So when we have something like this, we convert it to this form and from this we get slope. Now, to convert this equation into the following form, we use the technique of cross multiplication. We use the technique of cross multiplication. And cross multiplication, what we do, we take this thing that side. So what happens is we have x plus 3 and then we have 7 into y minus 2. So we take x plus 3, this 7 comes inside, we get 7y minus 14. Then we do x minus 7y and we get minus 14 minus 3. Basically this 7y was brought this side because I want all x and y's together, and this 3 was taken on the other side as minus because I want numbers together. So therefore I'm left with x minus 7y minus 17. So now I have brought it to the equation we want, and I have brought it to the equation we want. From this it is very easy to find slope. Basically what we do, we keep y this side, everything else that side. So we have x minus 7y equals minus 17. Then we took minus 7y equals minus 17 minus x. Then we get y equals minus 17 minus x upon minus 7. Then we get y as minus 17 upon minus 7 minus x upon minus 7. So whatever number is here in front of x is a slope. So our slope is minus 1 upon minus 7, which is equal to 1 upon 7. All clear? So the idea is, suppose we have something like this. Suppose we have a form like this and we want to find slope from this. we convert it to this form, and from this form we get slope. For example, in other case, I'll solve one more. Suppose my equation was x plus 5 y minus 3 equal to 7 upon 2. And suppose I want to find the slope. So what I do, I convert this to ax, some number, plus by equal to c. Now to convert, I need to use the technique of cross multiplication. Take this that side, bring it here. So therefore what I get is, I get x plus 5 into 2, 7 into y minus 3. Then what will happen? Bring it inside, you get 2x plus 10, you get, bring it this, 7, bring it here, 7y minus 3 into 7. See, this 2 was also given here. So we get 2x plus 10 is equal to 7y minus 21. So x is set 2x minus 7y is minus 21, and this 10 also will take. Basically what I'm doing is x and y 1 and numbers other side, so therefore I take this that side, and when I take this that side I get 2x minus 7y equal to minus 31. Now from this it is very easy to get slope. Basically what we do to get slope is we take this equation as it is, we keep y this side, transfer everything else that side. So when we transfer 2x this side, we get minus 31 minus 2x. We also transfer this minus 7 that side, so it is minus 31 minus 2x upon minus 7. So you get this as minus 31 upon minus 7, and minus 2 upon minus 7 is x. So therefore you get your slope as minus 2 by minus 7, which is same as 2 upon 7. Okay.